Hello everyone, welcome to this video. In this video, we are going to talk about how we can set up Web2 case and add to our Salesforce environment. You might have seen like whenever you are visiting a website, you can see the contact us form so that you can fill up your information like your email, name or issue. How can we do that and add that case in our Salesforce platform? We are going to see here. So first we have to enable the Web2 case functionality. So in setup you have to search Web2 case, and here in services you can see Web2 case. If you can see, I have already enabled the Web2 case, and the default case origin is web, and it is the auto response email setting, which is the default response template, and this is the email template that the customer will receive after creating a case. And you can select any other email template that you want. Right now I want this template, this response template that customer can get, and here you can set up the email signature. So I don't want right now, and I'm gonna click on save button. Next you have to generate the HTML form. So on setup, here you have to search Web2 case HTML generator. You can see the available fields and the selected fields that you want to be visible on your form. So I want contact, name, phone, subject, and the case reason and priority. Then next is the enter the URL that the user will be returned to. Here you can fill any website name that a user will get after he or she fill up the form, and this is the enable reCAPTCHA in HTML, so it will help to reduce the spam. So I don't want this right now, and I will click on generate. So you can see this is the HTML code, it is generated. So I am gonna select all this form and copy it, then click on finished button. So you have to open any notepad and paste the HTML code that is generated. Here you can see this is the org ID, this is my org ID where the case will be generated. This is the return URL that we have put, which is the google.com, and these are the fields which will be going to be visible on the form. So I need to save this form in a HTML format, and I will select the desktop and Web2 case 1. Click on save button. This form is saved on my system, which is Web2 case. So this is the form, and you can see all the fields that we have selected. So we need to fill up the information, which is and the case reason is breakdown. The priority I want to be set is high. If I click on the submit button, you can see the redirect URL which we have set up, which is google.com. In the backend, a case has been generated, so I'm gonna show you where. So you need to search the cases and click on all open cases, and if you can see, this is the product repair which we have created the case, and you can see the case number, case owner, status, priority that I have selected is high, the subject is product repair. You can see the case origin, which is web, we have selected, and this is the web email. So we have also selected the auto response email which a user will get after he or she will click on the submit button. So you can see this is the email that Riya Rathore received, which is dear Riya, thank you for submitting your question to us online. You can see the case number and the case reason, and This is how your web to case works, and you can quickly get the cases from your website inside Salesforce where your service reps work with them. Thank you for watching this video. Have a good day.